Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get $300 bonus from Chase Bank. Very easy guys, very open. I'm currently using this account. I have affiliate link in the actual comment section pin. So if you want to go ahead and click on this one if you're interested getting into this deal. Let me simply break you down what are the requirements and how you can actually benefit from this bonus. I signed up for this card last year. The bonus was just $200. Now it's $300, so I guess this is even better deal. The reason for it simply because is that if you are a new Chase customer and if you're looking to open a new checking account, Chase is offering you this deal over here. So essentially, when you open a new Chase Total checking account using the link down in the comments and set up a direct deposit within 90 days of the coupon enrollment, you will get the bonus. Essentially, over here, you will see that the way how you are going to waive the monthly fee, something that is very important. A lot of these big banks have a monthly fee, and some of them requires you to have certain amount of money that is your current balance, and it will be your main balance, so you will be able to waive the fee. So how are you gonna waive the fee of your total checking account with Chase? All you gotta do is to keep a balance of $1,500 every single day, which means that you deposit this money, you don't touch this money, right? And then you're gonna get a $300 bonus, and you're not gonna pay any monthly fee. Very, very easy, guys. This is the full breakdown in 3 steps how you're going to get the $300. So first of all, you are going to open a new account online. This offer is only available online using the link that is down pinned in the comment under the video. Very important is that this offer expires by April 17th, okay? You still have a couple of months. Second step will be after you click on the link and you sign up is to set up a direct deposit in the app. It's very easy. You have 90 days to do that. You just go on the app and you click set up direct deposit and you input the information, okay? Could be from your employer. There's many ways that you can actually proceed with direct deposit. And third step is the sweetest part. You are going to get your funds, your money, your $300 within only 15 days. This is unheard of. Almost every other bank will, take 3 months, 6 months, 90 days, until you actually process and you receive your funds. So this is why I like Chase, and it's been good so far. I haven't had any issues. I've been receiving my direct deposits a day earlier, right? No issues. So I think if you guys are interested, if you're looking to get some good bank, the biggest bank in the US, and get some money out of opening a new checking account, of course guys, if you are not looking to open checking account, it's up to you. But a lot of you probably looking to start new year with some free money. If you are about to open a checking account, why wouldn't you get $300, right? That's a good question over here. If you're interested, guys, check up the link that is pinned in the comment section. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to go over another bank bonus offer. In this example over here, we're having a credit card from Capital One which offers you a $200 cash bonus once you spend only $500 within the first 3 months. But that's not even the best thing. The best thing is over here that this particular card will give you unlimited 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, streaming services, and the best of all, grocery stores. And this card comes with $0 annual fee. So let's jump into the details. First of all, guys, the link from this offer will be pinned in the comment under the video itself. It is my affiliate link, guys, so don't worry about it. I opened an account with this card last year. Unfortunately, I didn't get this cash bonus offer, but so far I haven't had any issue with the card. Very good protection. Also, things are doing very fast as well. No particular issues. I've been getting a cashback earlier. I've been getting refunds if I dispute the charges, absolutely no issues at all. I'm saying this because I have other credit cards and I have plenty of issues with other cards during disputes and so on and so forth. So let's jump into the details and see what is the process, what you guys have to do, and how you can actually take advantage of the card. So the first thing that you want to pay attention to over here is that this card comes with a lock-in function. You can essentially lock the card while not using the card from distance. You can actually set up a face ID verification when you actually use the card, so no one else can use the card if you're not there in front of the card. The process of you getting the $200 is very, very easy, especially if you qualify by having a good credit score in advance. You're going to get this $200 cash bonus once when you spend the $500 within the first 3 months. So $500 needs to be spent in the first 3 months. I think this is very, very reasonable. I've seen card offers where people have to spend $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 to get like $500 bonus. So I think this is very, very reasonable. There are certain fees associated with if you want to transfer balances from other cards. There is no annual fee. This is very, very good, guys. You need to really focus on cards without annual fee. And of course, the best thing that you could focus here is that you're going to get unlimited 3% cashback. This is not like you have a limit of $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. This is unlimited cashback, and again, this is on grocery stores, stuff that you shop all the time. Then you have unlimited 3% cashback on dining, on entertainment, and streaming services. Like usually stuff, some of them could be used over the week, some of them could be used during the weekend, but grocery stores you can do every single day. So guys, again, if you're interested, check my link that is pinned in the comment under the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.